How to replace NaN values by zeros in a column of a Pandas data frame? I have a Pandas data frame as below. When I try to apply a function to the amount column, I get the following error. I have tried applying a function using NaN from the math module. I have tried the pandas replace attribute. I tried the sparse data attribute from pandas 0.9. I have also tried if NaN equals NaN statement in a function. I have also looked at this article, how do I replace NaN values with zeros in a data frame? Whilst looking at some other articles, all the methods I have tried have not worked or do not recognize NaN. Any hints or solutions would be appreciated.
I believe dataframe.filnow will do this for you. Link to docs for a data frame and for a series. Example. To fill the NaNs in only one column, select just that column. In this case, I'm using inplace equals true to actually change the contents of df. Edit. To avoid a setting with copy warning, use the built-in column-specific functionality.
It is not guaranteed that the slicing returns a view or a copy. You can do.
You could use replace to change NaN to 0.
The below code worked for me.
Links are